So let me show you how to download Microsoft Office on your MacBook Neo. Now this is very simple. First thing you need to do is go to your browser. I'm going to go to Safari. You can go to any browser you want. So simply search on Microsoft Office download. And then hit enter. And then from the results, you want to go to the official Microsoft.com website. So click on that. And then you can see you're being prompted to download Microsoft Office 365. So you want to select the option to download for Mac OS. Select that and then click on allow. And that should initiate the download process. Okay. So you can see now it's downloading Microsoft Office for your Mac. So just allow it to download. And then we'll be back to install. Once the download is complete, you should now be able to double click on that file from right there, or you can go to the downloads folder and find it there. Anyway, once you double click on it, it's going to start the installation process. I'm just going to close everything else just so you can clearly see what we're doing here. So this is the install Microsoft 365 and Office for Mac. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit continue. Now, this is a point where you need to put in your license. Now, you can buy the license from the Microsoft website. Okay, so from where we were, you can purchase a license from this page. For individuals, you can just come here for individuals and purchase a license. So once you purchase, that's the license code. Once you get the license code, you can come and enter it here. So let's hit continue. And as you can see, to continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms and conditions. So go ahead and hit agree. And then now you can choose whether you want to install for all users or only for yourself, or install on a specific disk if you have multiple disks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install for all users. So I'll hit continue. It says this will take 13.16 gigs of storage space. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on install, authenticate my password, and then now it's gonna start installing Microsoft Office, basically Microsoft 365, which is basically Microsoft Office. So that's the process of installing. So once this process is complete, you can launch Microsoft Office. It's going to ask for the license code, enter it, and you can now start using Microsoft Office. Thanks for watching and good luck.